A dropper is used to transfer a liquid drop by drop. If the dropper is graduated, it can also be used to measure approximate volume in qualitative experiments. Graduated dropper is commonly used in qualitative experiments involving organic compounds in semester 2. Let's say we want to mix 2 ml of liquid A and 2 drops of liquid B in this test tube. To use a dropper, first press its bulb to release air. Then, place the tips of the dropper in liquid A and release the bulb to suck in the liquid. Press the bulb slowly to reduce the liquid level to the 2 ml mark. And stop. Then, transfer it into the test tube. Make sure the dropper does not touch the test tube to avoid contamination. Next, to add 2 drops of liquid B, press the bulbs of the dropper to release air. Place the tips of the dropper in liquid B and release the bulb to suck in the liquid. Very slowly release 1 and 2 drops into the test tube. If the dropper does not touch the test tube, the remaining liquid can be returned to its original container.